Never judge a book by its cover. Like if you sort of said to Carl, hey, where do you reckon Norm and Jess are going to take you? He'd probably be like, oh, the pub with the cheap lunch specials. But nah, we're taking them to the Penthouse. And I think that's what's going to get us across the line.
Yeah.
Doors opening.
Welcome, guys.
Have a go at this joint.
This could be inspiration for your home.
Oh my, this is amazing.
When Carl and Carenza walked into the Penthouse, I think they thought, oh, this is out of our budget. And we were like, yeah, mate, of course it is. We're in a penthouse full of marble. Yeah. First thing I want to point out is the light and airy spaces. This space is really used ventilation. You can already feel that it's a lot cooler in the home to what it would normally be with the heat outside.
Yes. Very high ceilings.
Yeah.
Do you reckon we could manage that in our place?
Absolutely. One thing they worked out is that they love the high ceilings, so we have to
we'll
put that into, chuck them in.
We'll chuck them
in.
It's only an extra bit of plaster and a bit of framing.
Chuck it in.
Oh, they'll be right.
Let's go see the prize piece of the home. Look at this view.
Have a go at this.
I know.
Now, this is what we want to do with your house.
Okay.
You've got the water, you've got the view. We go up another story. This is what we want to achieve.
We like the big open windows and the high ceilings and the feeling of space.
These are actually incredible windows.
Yeah, so they're made out of UPVC.
Sure.
They're double glazed. So it's pretty windy outside at the moment and you can't hear a thing.
Yeah.
Plus, there's a main road right down the bottom of there.
Okay.
And it's silent. Listen, can't hear one car, can you? Not only that, but your climate control. So in the summer, most of your heat is brought in through your windows. And in the winter, most of your heat is lost through the windows. So your energy consumption is higher because you've got to compensate for that. Whereas with these windows, it pretty much eradicates the loss of heat.
Carl and Carenza, I think, have actually fallen in love with those windows and doors like we have.
They're the duck's nuts. They are.
Now have a look at this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, no, it's not
Views
bad.
in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So this is something else that we want to set up at your place. So where your dining table is now, we want to be able to give you something like this. If you're worried about the neighbours looking in from out the back of your joint, we can one-way glass that. You can look out, but no one can see in.
So you could come down, you would have your own little oasis, you could shut yourself off from the world and just relax, because I know how hard you two work.
Yeah.
They showed us up to the rooftop so we could see the expansive views and what it would be like to have a garden along a terrace or a balcony, so that was really great to see.
Now obviously this house, none of us could afford it. But this is how your house could feel. With orientation, you've got the same aspect as your place.
Exactly the same.
And also because of the similar orientation, the PVC windows, you're not going to need to use your heating and cooling.
Yeah, and the orientation is similar to our current place, so it gave us a great idea what it could potentially be like.
Inside your new home, you're going to feel really comfortable. You're not going to have to heat it so much. You're not going to have to cool it so much. You're going to feel healthier.
Yeah.
You're going to feel more comfy. You can walk around in your jocks and, you know, not be so cold, you know? It's going to be great.
Sounds great.
Sounds fantastic. I
Yeah.
can't wait to see what you guys
Come up with.
for us.
Yeah.
Well, you've got to go with Team Rebuild to get this all to happen. So
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, did Team Renovate take you to a $10 million penthouse?
No, that's tomorrow. No.
Yeah, okay.
they're given vibes that they like what we're putting out there, and I think they're leaning towards us. They're going to take the bone.
Well, we've given them the best option, which is rebuild. Then we've brought them to a flat joint like this. So we've sort of, you know, wined and dined them a little bit. Like, what else does a couple of bogans need to do to get this across the line, you know? If they don't say yes to this,
We're screwed.
well, we've given it all we've got, that's for sure.